Kempson water-cooled laser welder. Built for 24/7 heavy-duty production. Our upgraded anti-spatter welding gun with reusable lenses cuts your monthly consumable cost to just $20. No more frequent replacements or downtime. Self-developed 4-wheel drive wire feeder delivers stable, jam-free feeding. Dual wire mode creates wider, fuller seams, with automatic straightening to eliminate wire jams. Powered by a top brand TEYU custom large water chiller with full copper tube refrigeration. Closed-loop cooling ensures 24/7 operation, no overheating, no power loss. Intuitive HD touchscreen with parameter storage and 1-key recall. Physical buttons for critical operations. New operators master it in minutes. 3-year whole machine warranty, backed by core patents. Kempson, reliable, cost-effective, built to last. Ready to upgrade your welding process? Click the link below for a free quote and technical consultation. Kempson, your partner for industrial laser solutions.